welcome back. I'm Miss Miller.
And I'm Carly.
And this is our 5th Science at Home lesson. And today we have an experiment that is quick and fast, but is a lot of fun to try out. So if you're ready, we'll just get going. Okay, so let's get started. You don't need much at all for this experiment. The first thing you're going to need, most important, is at least one hard-boiled egg that's been peeled. So make sure it's hard-boiled and make sure that when you peel it, you don't break it. Please get an adult to help you when you're boiling your eggs and stay safe.
Next, you'll need a big glass bottle.
Yeah, you're going to need a glass bottle. This is a milk bottle. It can't be a plastic one, it has to be glass. And the opening of the glass bottle has to be smaller than the width of the egg so that the egg sits on top of it.
So next, you'll need some paper.
So what I've got here is 2 strips of paper. You probably only need one. And this is just cut from a piece of A4 and it's about 3 to 4 centimetres thick. And finally, you'll need a lighter. So again, this is something that you need to have an adult with you when you do. Please don't be starting fires at home, be safe. Only carry out this bit of the experiment with a parent's supervision and ask them to light the paper for you when we do it. So the whole point of this experiment is quick, simple and easily. The egg is thicker than the top of the bottle. If I push it, it doesn't go inside. If I push it really hard, it's just going to break. So what can I do to get the egg inside the bottle? And why does that work? So the first question I want you to think at home, thinking about what we've got here, is how am I going to get the egg inside the bottle?
I feel like chopping it up.
You're not allowed to chop the egg up. You can only use what we've got here on the table. Okay, so let's make a start. Now first of all, just in case anything goes wrong, I've got a jug of water to hand, as we are going to be working with fire. First thing you need to do is take one of your strips of paper and you're going to get an adult to light it for you and put it inside the jar or the bottle. And you want to do this as quickly as you can. Once you've done that, you need to quickly get an egg and place it on top of the bottle. Okay, here we go. Cool. So there you go, 1 egg inside of a bottle. Okay, so we're going to do this again, and this time we're going to get a close-up. Well, that second egg disappeared into that bottle a whole lot quicker than we were expecting it to. So when you're trying this out at home, what I want you now to think about is, why did the egg go inside the bottle? We never touched it and we never pushed it. What was it that happened to make the egg go inside the bottle? If you're not sure, wait until the end of this video and we'll explain it to you. But I won't tell you now because I want to give you the opportunity to work it out for yourself. I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video. As always, there is a worksheet on Teams to accompany the video, so you can download that and work along if you would like to. If you decide to try this experiment out at home, please do take some pictures and videos, and you can share them with me on Teams or Twitter and let me know how you got on with your experiment too. And as for how you get the egg out of the bottle, well, I'm going to leave that one up to you to figure out. So why does this happen? How does the egg get into the bottle even though no one is pushing it? A lot of people think that the egg gets pulled in, but that's not the case. It's actually the pressure of the air pushing it. But how can this happen? Well, before the burning paper was put into the bottle, the pressure of the air inside the bottle was the same as outside of the bottle. However, the burning paper heats the air inside the bottle, and this causes the air inside to expand. So when the egg is placed on top of the bottle, it seals the bottle. Eventually the fire uses up all of the oxygen and goes out. When the fire goes out, the air inside the bottle quickly cools. As it cools, the air contracts, so it gets smaller, and the pressure of the air inside the bottle becomes less than the pressure outside. And that high pressure outside the bottle is actually what pushes the egg inside the bottle. So thanks for joining us today for the experiment. I hope you've enjoyed it. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Take care, bye!
Bye!